Hello, today we will guide you through how to export Thinkorswim Workspace. In this walkthrough, we'll keep things simple and clear so you can preserve your chart layouts, studies, and window configurations and share them when needed. First, open the Thinkorswim app on your desktop. Give it a moment to fully load your charts and gadgets. It's a good idea to make sure the layout you want to export is visible and up to date, so any recent changes are included. If you use multiple monitors or custom grids, double check that everything looks correct before moving on. Next, look to the upper right corner of the Thinkorswim window for the Setup menu. Depending on your theme, it may appear as the word Setup or as a small gear icon. This is where Thinkorswim keeps tools for managing layouts, preferences, and, importantly for us, workspace sharing. Click on Setup to open the menu. You'll see various options related to your platform configuration. We're focusing on the workspace tools, which allow you to package your current layout for others or for safekeeping across machines. Now select Share Workspace. This is Thinkorswim's way of exporting your setup. Choosing it prepares the platform to bundle the components of your current layout, including charts, studies, and grid structures. If you maintain multiple layouts, you might notice that this option can apply to your active workspace. If you prefer to specify a particular layout, hover your mouse over Share Workspace to reveal any available workspace choices. From here, select the workspace you want to share, such as a sample or custom layout you've been refining. This is useful if you keep different setups for day trading, options analysis, or long-term investing and don't want to export the wrong one. When you're ready, click Share to confirm. Thinkorswim will process your selection and create a shareable package, typically generating a link or code associated with your workspace. That's your export. Keep in mind this export contains layout elements, not your personal account data or credentials, so it's safe from a privacy standpoint, but always review what you're sharing to be certain it reflects only the layout details you intend to distribute. And that's it. You've successfully exported your Thinkorswim workspace. If you plan to use this export across different computers or share it with a collaborator, keep the generated information somewhere you can easily find it later. Before you finish, consider taking a quick screenshot of your layout as a visual reference. It can help you confirm everything looks right when it's imported elsewhere. Thanks for following along, and happy trading.